You have requested many times to share step-by-step tutorials to design PowerPoint presentations. So, in this series of tutorials, we will learn to design 7 creative and innovative slides in PowerPoint. Let's begin with our very first slide. Insert a text box and type 1 to 4. Select all, right-click and go to Convert to SmartArt and choose this shape. Delete all the numbers. Right-click on SmartArt and choose Ungroup. Repeat it one more time. Select all the shapes and from Format Shape menu select Fragment. Delete the unwanted parts carefully. Select the entire shape and decrease the transparency to 0% from the Format Shape menu. Let's temporarily add the background color. Right-click and click on Format Background. Insert a rectangle. Change the shape height and width. Right-click and remove the shape outline. Also change the shape fill color. Add the text and change font to Montserrat. Increase the font size. Font color we will keep white. Right-click and select Format Background. Click on Picture or Texture Fill. Click on Insert. Go to Online Pictures and search for a suitable background image. Select the suitable image and click Insert. And there we have it, the main elements of our title slide are in place. Now let's add some final touches to make it complete. Insert a text box. Here we'll include the company name. This usually goes at the top or bottom of the slide. Now we'll add the presenter's name. I'll place it here at the center to ensure it's visible but not overpowering. Now let's add the company motto. This adds a personal touch and gives a hint of what the presentation will be about. Next, we'll include the company name. This usually goes at the top or bottom of the slide. I'll place it at the bottom corner. And there we have it, a professionally designed title slide that includes all the essential details. Thank you for following along. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. But wait, we're just getting started. In the next tutorial, we'll dive into designing the second slide, where we'll cover how to structure your key points and make them visually engaging.